Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Follow My Voice. Today, I imagine if, for whatever reason, the universe has brought you here today, there's always a reason. Everything happens for a reason. So you being here today, you're in the right place, at the right time, at the right point of your life, where I believe you need to hear this. So today, let's go ahead and let's practice a little bit of mindfulness relaxation. We'll start with a few deep breaths. Then I'm going to want you to close your eyes. And then for the next 2 minutes or so, allow me to quickly put some positivity into your brain and help you relax. Alright, let's take a deep breath for 4 seconds. We're going to hold it for 4 seconds. Exhale with a ch sound for 4 seconds. Hold it again for 4 seconds. Breathe normally and let's repeat it. Let's try this a couple of times. Ready? Breathe in for 4. 3, 4. Hold it. 3, 4. Exhale. 4. Hold it. Okay, breathe normally. Good, that's the first round. Let's go ahead and do it again. Inhale. Hold it. Exhale. Hold it. Breathe normally. Good, good. Alright, go ahead and close your eyes. I want you to focus on your breathing. Just breathe normally. Anytime your mind, like a wild horse, tries to get away from you, go ahead and pull it back in and focus on your breathing. Good. Good. Just breathe normally. I want you to relax. Focus on your breathing. If your mind wanders, like I said, just bring it back. And take a deep breath again. Ready? Good. Hold it. Exhale. Hold it. Good, good. So this is known as box breathing. That's where we inhale for 4 seconds, hold it for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, preferably with a ch sound. Makes it more realistic, in my opinion. Gives it a little more relaxation and impact. And then hold it for another 4 seconds, then breathe normally. And sometimes you just need a little bit of positivity in a world that can at times be unkind. So good to pause, take a breath or two, and remember you're enough. Everything happens for a reason. And the reason that brought you here, to help you relax. You can change the course of your day, and your day can get a lot better than it's been. Thank you.